Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for special probability distribution. Car arrive at a petrol station at an average rate 30 per hour. Assuming that the car arrived at random, find the probability stat. So here we have the title. X is Poissonly distributed with 30 per hour. So A, no car arrived during a particular 5-minute interval. So what we have to do is to modify the title where we have X is Poissonly distributed with, here we mention per 5 minutes. So means that what we have to do is to divide the situation with 12. So here we will have 2.5. So referring to the question, no car, so means that X is equals to 0. So we can substitute the situation into the formula where we have exponent negative 2.5 bracket 2.5 to the power of 0 over 0 factorial. And we will have the answer 0.0821 for the situation. Probability that X is equals to 0. As an alternative, by using the table where we have the situation, probabilities that X is equals to 0 is equals to probabilities that X greater equals to 0 minus the probabilities that X greater equals to 1. By referring to the Poisson distribution table, what we have is 1 minus 0.9179. So finally, probabilities that X is equals to 0 will be equals to 0.0821. Kindly refers to B. More than 3 cars arrive during a 5 minutes interval. So means that we still have the same title with the question. Probabilities that X and the 3. More than 3 cars. So means that we have greater than the 3. So since this is a Poisson distribution and it is a discrete, so what we have to do is to modify the question. So probabilities that X must be greater equals to 4. By referring to the table where we have the answer 0.2424 for the situation, probabilities that X greater than 3. Kindly refers to the question C. More than 5 cars arrive in a 15 interval. So previously, we know that X is Poissonly distributed with 2.5 for 5 minutes. Now the question asking about 15 minutes. So means that what we have to do is to multiply the situation with the 3. So X is Poissonly distributed with 7.5 because 2.5 multiplied with the 3. Same goes to the title where we have 15 minutes. Next, by referring to the questions, probabilities that X is more than 5, so greater than 5. Since this is a discrete situation, so what we have to do is to modify the questions. X must be greater equals to 6. So by referring to the Poisson distribution table, and we have the probabilities that X greater than 5 is equals to 0.7586. Next, by referring to the question D, in a half-hour period, 10 cars arrive. So the title has to be half an hour. So means that what we have to do is to multiply with the 6. So we will have 30 minutes. So as for the lambda, it will become 15 if we multiply the 6 with 2.5. So the question asking about 10 cars arrive. So the question will be X is equals to 10. Exponent to the power of negative 15. 15 to the power of 10 over 10 factorial. So the probability is that X is equals to 10 with the probability 0.048 and 6. Alternative, X is equals to 10 will be equals to probabilities that X greater equals to 10 minus probabilities that X greater equals to 11. So by referring to the table, here we have 0.9301 minus 0.8815. So the probability that X is equals to 10 will be equals to 0.0486. Next, question E. Fewer than 3 cars arrive in 10 minutes. So the title will be refers to 10 minutes. So meaning that what we have to do is to multiply with 2. So the lambda will be equals to 5. By referring to the question, probabilities that X is fewer than 3 cars. So less than 3. So kindly modify the situation where we have probabilities that x less than equals to 2. So we have another formula, 1 minus probabilities that x greater equals to 3. By referring to the table where we will have 1 minus 0.8753. So probabilities that x less than 3 will be equals to 0.1247. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.